You guys can join the channel membership. You can get access to different perks. So all you need to do is just click this join button. So there are different levels you can see here: MEP Excel sheets, softwares, career book, plumbing design books, and complete MEP material. So you can select whatever material you need. So let's say if you select this MEP drawings career book, there are 3 perks given in this one. You can click this about more perks and you can see the details, what material you will get in this perk. So if you want to see the details of the spreadsheets and everything, so you can see in here. So there are total 25 spreadsheets, as you can see in here, which are available. And list of the softwares, you can just send an email on this email address mentioned below, syedmuhammadw@gmail.com. So even after taking the membership, you can send an email on this address to get access to the required material.